I'm good. How are you?
I'm great. I gave you Declutter Go to try.
It definitely is fun. You have using the number die for how many items to find and number of minutes to set. But sometimes it's kind of fun to just like, instead of using it as, I love the timer, instead of using it as like, if I roll a four, set it for 40 minutes. Maybe I'm just only going to set it for four and we're going to power through. It's kind of
Oh, yeah.
like then it's a fun challenge. Like, can I find four things in 4 minutes to get out of this room? And get out of my house. I enjoy that too, because especially if you're, maybe you're taking a break in the middle of the day, if you're working from home, it's nice to be able to just, hey, let's just power through. Let's just find a few things to get rid of and we'll feel good and we can, change gears for a few minutes and then go back
Uh-huh.
to work. I
Oh, I
kind of
love that.
like that
I had
option.
never even thought of that actually. That, yeah, just set it for 4 minutes and then make that the game of can I beat the clock and find four things to recycle or whatever it is. That's the main point, is to have fun and to be able to change it up and get started.